Welcome to your daily motivation and inspiration with Dan, where I simplify life and business and help you become your highest and best self. What would your life look like if you live with more precision? What would your life feel like if you could make better decisions and move quicker and faster through issues and problems? I'm not talking about, just taking trial and error, making efforts, trying to make things happen, just testing things out and seeing what works. I'm talking about precision. Like, what if you could move through today, here, right now, this morning, through a challenge and move through it with precision, like a laser. This is possible. It's completely possible. And I'll start with a teaching from a guy named Tulupa from the 10th century. And he said these words. He said, "Be open to everything and attached to nothing." And I'm going to suggest that you be open to the idea that your words have power. They absolutely have power. And you can control what it is that's happening in your life just through your words alone. And what you need to do is to pay attention to what those words are and get control over them. Because here's the thing. What you feel in your body are thoughts moving through your body. That's right. Thoughts that move through your body cause you to feel certain things. So when somebody says, "Oh, I feel horrible," they did something bad, they smashed into a car on the road, like, "Oh, I feel bad," right? What do? We look down, we feel bad. Those are thoughts moving through our body. We don't think about that, but it happens all the time. So our words are so powerful. They're extremely powerful, and if we don't pay attention to the words that we're using, guess what? Our life is not going to be a life of precision. It's going to be meandering. It's going to be whimsical. It's going to be wherever our thoughts are going. It's going to be whatever's in front of us, and it's also going to be based on how we're triggered, our emotions. Because when we get triggered, guess what? Whatever emotions are there that are back in our history and our memories, that's what comes forward. It floods our mind, and we're on a train of thought that we didn't even imagine until it's too late. So think about what I'm saying here. Your words have super power. And here's the problem. Most of us go around looking for ways to be offended. Yes. It's insane. We go around looking for ways to be offended. And so when we go around looking for ways to be offended, then we will have thoughts and words that are going to be offensive. We're going to get on the defensive. So we're going to get offended, and then we'll be defending ourselves. And guess what? Those words aren't going to help us move through our life smoothly. I mean, if you want a smooth life, you have to think yourself through it. You have to move through it, and your words matter. So, I always talk about your thoughts being powerful. Yes, they are powerful, and your words are powerful too. So pay attention to your words. If you're not seeing your thoughts, then at least pay attention to your words. And when you catch yourself stating things in a way that you don't like, or criticizing people, or trying to defend yourself, guess what? That is going to cause your life to go on a certain path, and it's certainly not going to be good. It will not be good. There's no question about it. I've tested this many times. I've gotten myself fired. I've been sick because of this. We have to pay attention to what we're thinking and saying to ourselves. So if this made sense to you, leave a comment below. If this is hitting home and you're feeling your heartstrings being pulled and you're wondering, how do I solve this? Just leave a comment below. I have great tools and resources. I'll put something in your way. There's great books. There's a great book called The Game of Life. I'll be happy to share that with you. If you're not watching this on my YouTube channel, head over there, subscribe and like it. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.